All right, in this video, I'll share how to load Blender on Mac. So the first thing I want to do is go to blender.org and click on download. So when you click on download, the Blender website automatically detects which processor you're using. So in this case, I have a MacBook and it has an M2 chip, so it's detected it right. In case you have an Intel and it doesn't show likewise, you can click here and go for Intel, or you could go for Windows as well, right? So I'm just going to click on download Blender and it should start downloading automatically, right? So depending on your internet speed, this could take some time. All right, so once it's downloaded, all you need to do is double click on it and it opens up this floating window. So all you need to do is click and drag the Blender app into the application folder, and it basically just loads it for you. And that's pretty much it. So now if I open, it'll be there in your application list as well, right? So just double click on it. And when you open it for the first time, it's going to prompt you that it's downloaded from the internet. Are you sure you want to open? Just click on open. And there you have it. We have a working Blender file. So the only other thing you need to do is go here, right click and eject Blender. And that's pretty much it.